Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can remove rusted bolts using these bolt extractors. Now these will not work if the bolt is sheared. You need to have the head on it, so if it's rusted, stripped, painted, whatever, these will work. Otherwise you're going to have to go a totally different route, drilling it out and using a different extractor or easy outs or whatever if it's sheared. So anyways, these are real cheapy Harbor Freight. I believe they're Pittsburgh brand extractors that I bought. Now, there's kind of mixed reviews of these. From what I read, the teeth will get worn out pretty quickly. And just looking at these, I can already see after a couple uses, the teeth are already they kind of look molested already. So, I know Irwin makes much better quality ones. If you plan on using these a lot, it might be worth your money to just invest in the Irwin ones. But like I said, I got these cheap. I needed them for a product I was working on that day. I needed a specific size. As you can see, I'm missing a few. That's because this was an open box, discounted return, so I saved some money. And like I said, I just need the one size. I wasn't expecting them to work so well. Otherwise, I would have just bought the full set. But they work great for stuff like this. I use them to remove the manifold on this engine, and the bolts and the nuts were very rusted. So these came in handy quite a bit. But rather than just me sit here and talk about them, why don't you check them out for yourself? There goes my impact. Alright, as you can see, these special extractor twist sockets, whatever the heck you call them, they work pretty dang well. Especially when you got rounded off heads like these over here. This one just barely caught. Otherwise I would have used technically this is a 12 millimeter extractor or twist socket. So if this would have slipped, which it was starting to do, I would have obviously just moved to the next smallest size. Had to pound it on there real good, but luckily this one worked. As you can see, these bolts will have to be replaced. They're a little corroded, a little rusty. Alright, now let's see if we can get this I'm going to try to be careful as all hell. There we go. There we go. Wasn't easy, but you got it off. There she goes.